In the United States today, over 500,000 people have new hope through life-sustaining dialysis. We became nephrologists to be a part of this miracle, to care for the most challenging patients, to make a difference. We became nephrologists because of passion and commitment. We learned that passion from mentors, leaders who challenged and inspired us. But being a nephrologist is complex. Too often we're pulled in multiple directions, making it hard to achieve our goals for our patients and ourselves. We must find our passion again as leaders, inspiring and challenging our peers, our trainees, the whole kidney care team, as they look to us to guide the way. As nephrologists, we impact the lives of those we treat. As leaders of the kidney care team, we can reach so many more. Through leadership, we can rediscover the true meaning of our work and the reward of improving care for the people who need us. As leaders, let's honor our mentors by meeting challenges and welcoming innovations. Let's reconnect with the commitment and passion our mentors inspired in us. Let's mentor our care team colleagues, creating teams with whom we can share not just burdens, but the accomplishments and the satisfactions of a job well done. The future of nephrology is bright. You can make it more exciting yet. You can make a difference, but not alone. Reimagine your potential as a nephrologist. Envision the leader you can be.